Do you want to know how to make $10,000 as a student? Financial independence, a phrase that sounds like a far-off dream, especially when you're buried in textbooks and lecture notes. But what if I told you that it's not as elusive as it seems? That's right. Even as a student, you can start building a solid financial foundation, making your way towards that dream of independence. Imagine having the freedom to manage your finances while pursuing your degree. It's not just about the monetary aspect. It's about cultivating a mindset of self-reliance and resourcefulness. It's about honing your skills and putting them to good use. It's about taking control of your life, $1 at a time. This might sound like a tall order, but it's definitely achievable. The road to financial independence is paved with opportunities, and you have what it takes to seize them. So, are you ready to discover how you could earn $10,000 while you study? Ever heard of freelancing? It's a goldmine for students. So, let's dive right into it. Freelancing, what is it? Well, in simple terms, it's self-employment. It's a way of working where you're not tied to a single employer, but instead, you can work on diverse projects for various clients. Freelancing provides a unique opportunity to capitalize on your skills and make a decent income, all while studying. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of work can I do as a freelancer? The answer is a lot. From graphic design, content writing, coding, tutoring, virtual assistants, to social media management, the options are endless. Your job as a freelancer is to identify what you're good at and find a way to monetize it. And where do you find these freelancing opportunities? There are plenty of online platforms out there dedicated to connecting freelancers with potential clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are popular choices. These platforms offer a vast array of job categories. So whether you're an artist, a writer, a coder, or a tutor, you can find work that suits your skills. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Money. How lucrative is freelancing really? Well, the answer depends on various factors such as your skill level, the demand for your services, and how effectively you market yourself. But to give you an idea, some freelancers make a few $100s a month, while others make several thousands. So yes, freelancing can indeed be a goldmine if you play your cards right. However, it's important to remember that freelancing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, consistency, and most importantly, patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your freelancing career. But with the right approach, it can be a significant source of income and even pave the way for a successful career in the future. Now that you understand what freelancing is, let's move on to how you can make it work for you. Opening. A powerful profile is your key to attracting clients. Let's dive into building that all-important freelancing profile. Think of it as your virtual storefront, the first impression potential clients get about you. And first impressions, as we all know, can make or break a deal. Start by selecting a professional photo. It doesn't need to be a corporate headshot, but a clean, clear image where you're looking approachable and confident. Remember, people like to put a face to a name. It makes the interaction more personal and trustworthy. Next comes your headline. This is your elevator pitch, encapsulating what you do and what you can offer in a single impactful sentence. Make it precise, persuasive, and most importantly, authentic. Now, let's talk about the profile description. This is where you get to showcase your skills, experience, and the unique value you bring to the table. Don't just list your skills, show how you've applied them. Use metrics and concrete examples wherever possible. But wait, there's more. Your past work is a testament to your abilities. If you're a writer, share links to your published articles. If you're a graphic designer, display your designs. If you're a programmer, include links to the apps or software you've built. And then there's the power of testimonials. These are golden nuggets of social proof that can significantly boost your credibility. If you've worked with clients before, ask them for a testimonial. If you're just starting out, consider doing a few small jobs for free or a reduced fee to gather some positive feedback. Lastly, don't forget to mention your availability and response time. Clients appreciate freelancers who are responsive and easy to communicate with. And there you have it. You now have a blueprint for building a powerful freelancing profile. It's not just about stating what you can do, but showing how you can solve problems, deliver value, and exceed expectations. Closing. With a strong profile, you're ready to attract clients and start earning. Finding the right jobs is crucial to your freelancing success. That's an undeniable fact. It's an art that requires patience, precision, and a deep understanding of your skills and interests. Let's start with understanding your skills. What are you good at? What are your strengths? It could be anything from writing, designing, programming, to even teaching. Identifying your core competencies is the first step towards finding the right jobs, but it doesn't stop there. You should also be able to communicate these skills effectively to potential clients. Remember, in the world of freelancing, you're the product, and how you present yourself matters. Next, align your interests with your skills. It's one thing to be skilled at something, but it's another to enjoy what you do. When you're passionate about your work, it reflects in the quality of your output. And trust me, clients can tell the difference. So don't just chase the money, chase the passion. Now let's talk about quality over quantity. In freelancing, it's not about how many jobs you can juggle at once. It's about the quality of work you deliver. It's better to focus on a few jobs that you can excel at rather than spreading yourself too thin over multiple jobs. This not only ensures you deliver your best, but also helps build your reputation in the freelancing community. Speaking of reputation, building long-term client relationships is key. It's not just about getting a job done and moving on to the next. It's about building a rapport with your clients, understanding their needs, and exceeding their expectations. This not only ensures repeat business but also opens doors for referrals. So, in essence, finding the right jobs is not just about earning money. It's also about professional growth. It's about honing your skills, expanding your network, and establishing yourself as a trusted freelancer. By carefully selecting jobs, you not only earn but also grow professionally. And that, my friends, is the essence of successful freelancing. Managing your earnings effectively is a skill every freelancer needs. This is not only a mantra to hold on to, but it's also a guiding light to your financial independence. The first thing to consider in managing your earnings is setting your rates. It's not about pulling numbers out of thin air. It's about understanding the value of your time and skills. You need to consider your experience, the complexity of the job, and the market rate for similar work. Don't undervalue your services. Remember, you're not just selling your time, you're selling your expertise and your dedication. Next, let's talk about invoicing. This is how you get paid, so it's crucial to get it right. Make sure your invoices are clear, professional, and timely. Outline the services you've provided, the rate, and the total due. Don't forget to include your payment information and terms. An important tip here is to invoice promptly. The sooner you send your invoice, the sooner you'll get paid. Now, let's delve into the not-so-fun part of freelancing. Taxes. As a freelancer, you're responsible for your own tax obligations. This means setting aside a portion of your earnings for tax payments. It might be tempting to spend all your earnings, but remember, it's not all yours to keep. A good rule of thumb is to set aside a quarter of your income for taxes. It's better to have too much saved than not enough when tax time rolls around. And finally, don't forget about savings. Freelancing can be unpredictable. Some months you might earn a lot, other months not so much. Having a safety net can provide you with peace of mind during the lean months. Aim to save around 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This way, you'll be covered if you hit a slow period or face an unexpected expense. With these basics in place, you're well on your way to managing your freelance earnings effectively. Remember, it's not just about earning money, it's about managing it wisely too. With good money management, you're on your way to financial independence. Making $10,000 as a student is not a dream, but a possible reality. Let's retrace our steps. We've explored the power of freelancing, the potential it holds for students worldwide. We've learned that building a strong freelancing profile is the foundation of this journey. It's your brand, your introduction to the world. Next, we discovered the art of finding the right jobs. Remember, it's not about quantity but quality. Choose projects that resonate with your skills and passions. And then we talked about money management. Yes, it's exciting to earn, but it's equally important to manage your earnings wisely. Above all, remember, perseverance is key. The freelancing world is competitive, yes, but it's also full of opportunities. Continuous learning and adapting to new trends is part of the game. Start your freelancing journey today. and unlock a world of financial freedom as a student. Your $10,000 goal is just the beginning.